Step 5. Your dad is here ready to pick you up. Step 6. Get in the car. Step 7. Play in your phone while driving home. 3 hours later.
Step 8. It's been a long time, but you still didn't arrive home. You left school 3 hours ago. Why does it take so long?
Step 9. Ask your father why it takes so long. Your father said there were a lot of traffic in the past hours, but now the way is normal. You decide to believe him because you haven't looked anywhere else and checked your phone in the past 3 hours. Another 1 eternity later. Step 10. You finally arrived. Now get out of the car. But wait, what is this place? Step 11. You get a notification.
Step 1. It is your father. Yes, why you still didn't come home yet? Step 1. 3. Realize he was not your dad. This is probably your end. When you are safe, he got shot. But you shot him. Step 1. It was your friend who shot. He also brought the police with him. But how did he found you and who about to kidnap?